Plymouth University is the place to study environmental science. Our research facilities are second to none. We have some of the best laboratories for carrying out environmental science. We have research vessels. We have a dive centre.
I chose to study at Plymouth because it's next to the coast and provides marine opportunities. It's also near Dartmoor as well, woodland and rivers. It's both the north and south Cornwall coast as well, where you can sail. The city itself has a very vibrant atmosphere and it's sort of surrounded by countryside and got easy access everywhere.
Highlights of environmental science at Plymouth University are the training that we provide in field and laboratory skills, the opportunities that you have in gaining experience of plant and animal identification, the opportunities that you get to dive with the dive centre. The modules such as our contemporary issues provide you with the kind of skills and training that you'll need to become an environmental scientist. You'll be challenged from day one about your understanding of the environment. You'll be sharing that experience with like-minded members of staff and also fellow students. In the second year of your degree, you get the opportunity to go on field expeditions to overseas, to places like Malta, Hong Kong and Malaysia.
About 70 of us went to Malaysia to undertake some field research. We went to areas of primary rainforest. We broke into groups. Some of us went into the canopy in large trees. We climbed up the top, did some rope work and went to places like the mangroves, looked at pink and blue crabs and all sorts of different things like mud skippers. Others researched sort of like glow-in-the-dark fungi, which was really interesting. We went for nature walks as well and we looked at biodiversity of the whole rainforest and what it had to offer. We also went to around Kuala Lumpur and saw the different atmosphere as well, which you can get in the city. It sort of helped to contribute to our global perspective of the environment.
There is a demand for environmental science graduates. Jobs such as protecting the environment, environmental management, researchers. The jobs that our students find themselves in are very diverse. Our students working in over 50 different countries. Increasingly, we're finding people working within industry as environmental managers to reduce the kinds of impacts that business has on the environment.
At the weekends I work at the Eden Project. I also volunteer for the climate change team there as well, which has provided me with a really good head start for a career in the future. I'm confident I'll gain a career in the environmental sector upon graduation. Ideally, I'd like to work for the Met Office in climate change and study things like impacts and responses for them.
An important part of your training here at Plymouth University is providing you with an understanding of how you apply your field and laboratory techniques. The research project in the final year is a good example of where we do this. The Enterprise project consists of 6-week work placement working with our partners in industry, working on environmental problems that we face and where students can get the kind of experience that they need for their CVs. The kinds of organisations we work with range from the Environment Agency to research institutes such as Plymouth Marine Laboratories.
I'd recommend Plymouth for anyone to study at. The reason I like it is because of the surrounding countryside, and the staff here at Plymouth are also approachable and have different areas of expertise, and the highlight at Plymouth for me was going to Malaysia.